Hi, I'm Russ, CEO of RTI Group Companies. 7 years ago, we set out to build the world's largest private network, a neutral network that spans 33,000 kilometers of owned cable, and we set out to have a lot of fun doing it. Behind me is Poseidon. Poseidon looks after the safety of the people that install cables, groups of people around the world that make this world a better place. Working at this company and starting this company in 2013, it has been my single greatest privilege to work with amazing people. Light attracts light. People want to do business with us because we do business differently. We want to work with companies. We want to make it easy to do business with us. You would think this is a technology business, but it's not. What gets cables across the finish line is the people. The people that have relationships that have gone on for decades. These people, these engineers across the world, they love to solve problems. The permitting experts, the marine experts, really everybody across the entire gamut of subsea expertise. And they're the ones that form this small community that thinks greater than politics and outside of the daily legal processes and the problems that each of our countries might have from time to time. They're the ones that stand firm, keep their relationships intact, and get the world's internet built.